Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you what's inside my pencil case. So the pencil case I have is the Lihit Lab Pen Case, and in the front pocket I have 3 post-its that I use for dividing chapters and sections in my textbooks and novels. And then there's that little pocket which I don't have anything in. And then once you open the pen case, in the left section I have all of the pens that I used for my writing. So I have a ballpoint pen because sometimes I need to lend it to some friends or classmates and I don't want to give them the nice pens that I have because I might not see them again. So this is the Bic Atlantis Exact Ballpoint Pen in black. Then I have a permanent marker, and I could have used a regular Sharpie, but since I have this one, why not? This is the Monotwin from Tombow, and it has 2 sides, one a regular nib, and then on the other side is an extra fine tip. Both sides are permanent, obviously. Then I have 2 brush pens. I honestly just have them because I don't know which one I prefer yet. I have a Tombow one, I think it's Fudenosuke, I'm not 100% sure. And then I have the Pentel Fude Touch Sign Pen. The Tombow is just a tad smaller and firmer on the tip, and then the Pentel is more movable, I guess. But they work the same purpose, they're both black. And then I only have this one Pilot Juice pen in .38, and I have in blue. I have other colors, but the one I needed was in blue because some teachers prefer blue ink for essays instead of black. And then the pen that I used the entire time is the Pentel Energel, and I have 2. One is in .5 red that I use for correcting my papers and essays, and then the other one is the Pentel Energel Pearl 0.7 millimeters, and that's the one I use for note-taking and writing. Whatever I write in this pen. And for pencils, I have 3. I have one mechanical pencil. This one is the Zebra DelGuard 0.5 mechanical pencil. Fantastic. And then I have a regular Ticonderoga 2 HB pencil, and I use this for Skintrons. I'm so scared. Some teachers say that it's fine if you use mechanical pencil, but I'm just so freaked out. I don't want to risk it. And then I have this Tombow High Precision Drafting pencil, or whatever it said there, and I just use it for projects in school. Sometimes I need a light sketch, and I do a lot of projects in my school, so that's why you'll see some things on the back of the pencil case. But moving on, I have 5 Mildliners, right? Yes, 5, and 5 corresponding colors of Fineliners. So the Fineliners are from Michaels. They came in a pack of 24, and then the Zebra Mildliners, I have a combination of the warm, cool, and fluorescent pack. And yeah, you can see they're double-sided. I really like these. And to see the complete set of materials or like note-taking supplies that I have, you can check out my Amazon haul. Most of these items are found in that video. And then I have a Bic White Out Tape. I don't really care for the brand of Whiteout. I think they all work exactly the same thing. Then I have a sharpener, just a regular one. I honestly don't know where I found it, just found it around my house. And then I have 2 leads, a 0.7 HB lead and a 0.5 HB lead by Pentel. And obviously I use the 0.5 for my mechanical pencil, and then sometimes people ask me for lead. Even though I don't use 0.7, I have it there if they need it. Then on the right side, I have 4 Col-Erase Prismacolor pencils, and again, I use these for my projects. I have a lot of drawings that are required for my projects for some reason. I'm not taking any art class, but they just give me so many projects, and I really want them to look the best, so I just use these different colors for planning my drawings. And then I have a Bic Whiteout. Sometimes I prefer this one over the tape just to get the small mistakes that I do. And then I have a white gel pen. I'm not sure what the brand is. I think it's Sigma, the Sigma Uniball. There we go, that's the one. And I use it mainly just for my bullet journal. I mean, I have my bullet journal everywhere, so that's why I keep it in a pencil case. And then I have an extra Pentel Energel because I use it all the time. And then one of the black Fineliners from before. And then the last thing on my pencil case is the Minnie Mouse ruler that I got from when I went to Disneyland. So that was all what's in my pencil case. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and let me know what's in your pencil case, what pencil case you use. Do they make you do a lot of projects at your school? Just let me know in the comments down below. I love talking to you guys and responding to your nice comments. Thanks so much for all the support that I've recently gotten, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more and check out these 2 previous videos to see more of my content. Bye guys.